So friends, today we are going to unbox the Edifier R1280DB active speakers. These are known to be one of the best budget studio monitors available in the market. So I wanted to replace my current speakers. Those are Philips 2.1 speakers for my computer audio. So I went for these because I got them at a quite low price on Amazon. So let us see what we get in the box. The box looks quite good from outside, and the packaging also looks good. The way it was supplied by Amazon was quite good. We have got enough thermocol packing inside. The one that I went for is the walnut color. So here we have got the instruction manuals here. We'll keep it aside. Apart from the instruction manuals, we have got an optical fiber cable, and we have the set of cables that are supplied for connecting the two speakers as well as connecting to other sources of audio. Like these are for connecting the two speakers. These are coaxial cables that are provided, auxiliary cables, and these are auxiliary cables that will connect from your any output 3.5 pin 3.5 mm output to your studio monitors. And here we have the small Edifier remote. So we'll keep this aside for the time being and unbox the speakers first. This is a passive speaker. Speakers are quite heavy. Let me quickly unbox this. As I was saying, packaging is pretty neat, and this is a passive speaker, and this one will be the active speaker. I'll remove the box and then unbox the active speaker. So here is our active speaker. Nice foam-based packing. Here's the power cord that is going to connect to the power to the wall sockets. Okay, I'm just going to clear it out. So this, as I was saying, is going to be a right speaker, and it has got all the controls. So here we have a treble control, one knob for the bass and one for the volume control. This LED shows the input. So if it is red, that means it is optical fiber or auxiliary. If it is blue, it means Bluetooth. If it's green, it means, wait a minute, line in, line 1 in and line 2 in. So here is the left speaker. Let me unbox it too, unwrap it rather. These are very flimsy. it comes out very easily. So these two connectors we have to connect with this wire to the left speaker onto its ports here. So this is for line 1, this is for line 2, this is the optical port, this is a coaxial port, and this is on-off switch, main on-off switch, and the power cord. So this finish is very good. It's absolutely beautiful finish. From the front also you can see how they look. I'll put them side by side. The mesh is very soft and nice. I'll remove the top mesh. It's removable. Yes, it's removable. Just soft fiber with an Edifier logo here. Edifier logo continues here. So this is a 1-inch tweeter with a 4-inch base unit, and there's a woofer output port. This one is the receiver for the remote. A similar setup is there here also, minus the receiver. So once we set it up, I'll continue with the review part of this. What is the sound coming out of this? Do I like it or not compared to my previous speakers? And I'll give you an input on that. Thank you. Here's a quick B-roll of the speakers. How the speakers look from the front.